Ethereum after 1559. Network nears 2 million ETH burned worth over $6.9 billion. Approximately 205 days ago, the Ethereum network updated via the London Difficult fork, which implemented the packaged Ethereum improvement proposal 1559. Since then, the EIP 1559 upgrade made it so a portion of gas is ruined throughout the deal procedure, and to date, 1,915,220 Ether has actually been burned worth over $6.9 billion utilizing today's exchange rates. The Ethereum network has burned roughly 1,915,220 Ethereum, and the metric is nearing the 2 million mark. Since the EIP 1559 improvement was added on August 5th, 2021, the community has actually been observing just how much Ether is being burned every day. At the time of composing, the 24-hour burn rate is 3.57 Ether per minute, or around $9,809.16 every 1 minute. The EIP 1559 essentially changes the algorithm tethered to the base charge per gas in the protocol. It burns the base cost per gas. Ethereum supporters have been fans of the concept because it makes Ethereum deflationary gradually. When the London hard fork was implemented, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin told Bloomberg the EIP 1559 was the most important part of London. Quotes, "Now it gets much easier to send a deal that will get included in the next block, which is very important to user experience," Buterin explained at the time. Crypto donations for Ukraine. NGO to finance country with medicine and weapons utilizing crypto. Crypto donations for Ukraine, non-government organizations, NGO, to finance nation with medicine and weapons utilizing crypto. NGO launches crypto task to support Ukrainians. Crypto donations will be accepted in BTC, ETH, and USDT. Considering that the start of the dispute in Ukraine and Russia, various companies have considered introducing crypto tasks to assist those impacted. Recently, an NGO Come Back Alive has raised funds in the 3 leading cryptos, Bitcoin, USDT, and Ethereum, to assist Ukrainians dealing with the disaster. Are crypto and blockchain safe for kids, or need to greater procedure to be put in place? Crypto is going mainstream, and the world's more youthful generation in particular is bearing in mind. Cryptocurrency exchange, Crypto.com, just recently forecasted that crypto users worldwide could reach 1 billion by the end of 2022. Further findings reveal that the millennials, those in between the ages of 26 and 41, are turning to digital possessions, financial investments that develop wealth. For instance, a research study performed in 2021 by individual lender Stilt found that according to its user information, more than 94% of individuals who own crypto were between 18 and 40. While the increased interest in cryptocurrency is notable, some are raising concerns regarding the ways those under the age of 18 are interacting with digital assets. These challenges were highlighted in the UNICEF's recent Prospects for Children in 2022 report, which examines the impact that global trends may have on children, including concerns around the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency. What is anticipated at the moment? What is expected at the moment? Some traders are indicating that the initial panic stage has passed and that Bitcoin could touch $40,000 in the short term. However, experts continue to warn of the increasingly close correlation between the crypto sector and stock markets. The short-term bearish projection supplied by the Elliott wave theory came into being when Bitcoin dropped listed below 35,000 in the middle of the dispute in between Russia and Ukraine. Quotes, "This theory, which divides the rate cycle into 2 groups, the very first group consisting of 5 waves of an upward trend and the other consisting of 3 consecutive corrective waves, suggests a possible decrease in the rate of Bitcoin to $25,500 in 2022. Explains Victor Alvar Gonzalez, co-founder of Chief Strategy Officer at NextTP Finance. Quotes, "In recent years in which cryptocurrencies have actually gained a great deal of weight in the market, Bitcoin, perhaps the most crucial one, is moving more or less like the S&P 500, but with greater volatility. Alvar Gonzalez includes, quotes, "We will continue to evaluate the habits of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, since those motions and connections that they create will help us make predictions and see how they will move depending on various scenarios if one day it ends up being a comparable video game and supervised financial investment, property as the rest."